All right, so we're back in California. Not where we thought we were bowling. The event originally in Daly City got canceled, or postponed, not canceled. But fortunately, there was something else to bowl at Earl's place again.
She'll be here.
Didn't think we were gonna be here so soon, since the last time we played, but here we are, 6-gamer, weekend warrior time. Show us how it's done. Line us up. He's left-handed, by the way. We're bowling 6 games. We're just chilling. Yeah. If there was a time I wish I was left-handed, it is at this place, in this building, because I don't know what it is. I have the hardest time striking. I just went light 7 in the 9th, or light 4 pin in the 9th, upper deck to 7 in the 10th for 2-team. I missed the pocket one time and I shot 216. I feel like I'm bowling league. This is not good. I hope it gets better. Bowled 2 games now. I bowled 230 this game. Made a really bad shot in the 7th. I ended up Greek churching, got the count, punched out for 230. Like I said, we're plus 49 after 2. I can't imagine that's fantastic, but if I had to go in order of the games that have gone so far for bracket purposes, this is ideal. Game 3, I think we're lined up now. Our pocket's much bigger, playing a little further right. So the Booyah Pro. So just got to make some good shots, get lined up quick, and hopefully the pins cooperate. As possible, bucketed on the front 7 or 8 or whatever. Get up on that lane again in the 10th. Stone 8, 256. I'm just, the sequence of events just, it's frustrating. But I think we have 705 for the first 3. I can't imagine it's very good, but it's not horrible. So, we've got 3 more games and we'll see what happens. We had 247 that game. It was okay. I didn't make a great shot in the 10th. I could have bowled 268, but I won $1 off Uncle Dennis. He had 279 going into the 10th, and he opened, gave me a chance, a mark. So I'm up $1 tonight. Gave that $1 back, we're even. So I guess we gotta bet this game. $1 more. But we are 180 over now and change. I don't really know what. I'm not keeping scores. I don't want to keep scores. But hopefully one good game and we take home the dub. I think we're pretty up there, so we'll see what happens. I won the dollar. 275 to 258, but it was a good try, old man. So, yeah, I got to like 250 and change, almost 260. That's pretty good for starting with 210. You know, I made a good ball change, and then from there I just had to make decent shots, and it was Booyah Pro was striking a lot. Oh yeah, I got in the handicap, and this is after 5 games. They clearly get too much handicap. Am I calling out the sandbaggers? It's unethical. Just don't do it. It is a thing. Well, I was told we shut out that guy that was leading after 5. So that's nice. Got a dub here in Dublin. Don't know how much money we're gonna make. Should be close to 1,000 or so. Wasn't a bad week. A little trip down here. Got to visit home. Make a little bit of money. It's all good. And my boy Kyle. He's the 3rd Tang. If you didn't know. You didn't know. You guaranteed didn't know. But this is Kyle. Soon to be content creator. Maybe. I don't know. Alright everybody, I'm back home, back at my setup. We're gonna have a little cost breakdown of the tournament that I just bowled in Dublin. Expenses, we're gonna start off with $160. I got into 2 divisions. I got into the scratch and the handicap. I also got into $200 worth of scratch and handicap brackets, which is 40 brackets. I don't know what the split was. I wanted to get into all of them, but the tournament director said I don't put people in everything. So total, that's $160 plus $200. Comes out to $360 in expenses. This is just for the tournament alone. No travel expenses, nothing. I'm only gonna talk about what I spent in this tournament. Now for earnings, I won the scratch, which is worth $570. And now I said I was in the handicap division as well. I lost that. Oh, I didn't cash by 5. The winner in the handicap beat me by 135.
Bruh.
Now this is not a subject that I'm gonna go into right now. But if you want to talk about it, you can join us again on stream, twitch.tv/VitaminZTang. Link in the description below. Or you can join the Discord. That link is also in the description below. And if you want to share your thoughts on handicap and how it should balance the field and not give them a distinct advantage, feel free to do so. Because I'm very passionate about the subject and I am not a fan of cheating. Anyways, I got $550 back in brackets. It was a pretty good set on the back half. The front half wasn't terrible, but I bowled my games correctly. As far as brackets are concerned, I went 210, 230, 250, not bad. And then on the back I went 240, 230, 270. So the 270 in the last game is really big because that's, you know, kind of determines if you win or lose. Anyways, $60 in high game pots, so that comes out to a total of $1,180. And subtracting the expenses, we have a net profit of $820. Is bowling local events profitable? Absolutely. If you can go out there and you bowl pretty well, win a division, maybe 2, you can come out with some good cash. If I won the handicap division, that was worth $550, I believe, so I would have netted close to $1,500. You know, if I win the handicap, I probably bowl better overall and win more brackets, so if I bowl absolutely insane, I could potentially profit close to $2,000 in a local tournament. That's my expense breakdown for my 1-day tournament back home in California. Dublin, California, Earl Anthony's Dublin Bowl. Go check it out if you're in the area. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of content. If you like the expense breakdowns, let me know in the comment section below. I can try to do them more often. I know we did a video like this before and it sparked a lot of interest. So thought we could do it again. And like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Peace.